Automatic rice can packaging production line. Bottle and scramble turntable automatically, sorting into the conveyor belt of the packaging line. Rotary type filling machine, it can be applied to the packaging and the splicing of different granular materials in food. Automatic can sealing machine with simple nitrogen gas flushing. It's suitable for granules product and small pellet product after nitrogen flushing will extend shelf life. This capping machine is turntable buckle capping, suitable for can dustproof capping machine. Heat grinding method adopts the cover to buckle and smoothly presses the shaft to fasten the cap to the bottle body.